Now, some good news for all iPhone lovers. You might be able to change new iPhones with your Type-C chargers. There are reports that not only will the brand new iPhone series come with USB Type-C charging points, but some existing models of iPhone 14 will be relaunched with new charging ports. The move comes after EU issued regulations to adopt a common charging port USB-C by 2024 as we inch closer to the release of the new version of the iPhone. Apple fans, that is, might also have to bid farewell to familiar lighting ports. However, the winds of change began in the year 2018 when Apple introduced USB-C charging with the iPad Pro. This shift has signaled at the evolving industry standard. Till now, iPhones have remained tethered to lighting port, but since the European Union has been working to establish a mandate requiring all electronics to adopt a common charging port by the end of 2024, the tech giant Apple seems to have finally caved in.